Let's solve this question. This is question number 5 of equation of line, the revision series which we are doing. The question is find the value of A for which the following points A, B and C are collinear, and then find the equation of line. In this equation, it's given to us 3 points are collinear. So what is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means, see, from the word itself we try to understand its meaning. Co means same, linear means line. So if the points are collinear, that means all the 3 points they lie on the same line. So our points are like this. If this is line, so all the points they lie on this line itself. So we have to, this is a given thing, the values are given to us, so I'll write the coordinates. Coordinates of A are a small a comma 3, coordinates of B 2 comma 1, and coordinates of C 5 comma small a. So if the points they are lying on the same line, so that means their slope is equal. So slope of AB, it is equals to slope of BC, it is equals to slope of AC. So when the points are collinear, the slopes will be same. So this is what you have to remember always. If you see collinear word, that means you have to equate their slopes. Now slope of AB is equals to slope of BC equals to slope of AC. Okay, so what any two we will choose. Slope of AC equals to slope of BC, or you can also choose slope of BC equals to slope of AC. Now but we have to see which two to choose. So A's coordinates are a comma 3, B's coordinates are 2 comma 1, and C's coordinates are 5 comma a. So here we can see, here one coordinate is missing and here one coordinate is missing, whereas in B we can see both the coordinates we know. So what we do, we can do here AB we can use and then BC we can use, because if we are using AC, you can see if we are using AC, so in A also one coordinate is missing and in C also one coordinate is missing, so it's better to use these two. So let's apply here slope formula. Now I am using this thing, slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. So slope formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here also y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, but here you have to use the coordinates of A and B, and here you have to use the coordinates of B and C. So A's coordinates, so here let's write this is x1 y1 in this case, and B's coordinates here this is x2 y2. Y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3, x2 is 2 minus x1 is a. Now slope of BC. BC, let's say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y2 is a, y1 is 1, x2 is 5, x2 is x2 is 5 and x1 is 2. So I have just substituted the values. Now we can simplify them further. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 minus a as it is 2 minus a minus 1 is a minus 1 only, 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we can further simplify them. This 2 I'll send, this 3 we will shift to other side, and this 2 minus a again we will shift to this side. So when this 3 I am shifting this side, it will get multiplied with minus 2, so it will become minus 2 into 3, and this a minus 1 into 2a minus 2 minus a. Now we can simplify them further. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. This here we can multiply these two brackets. So a into 2, 2a, this a into a So minus a is there. So minus a square. Now this minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and here minus 1 with minus a, this will become plus a. So basically both the brackets we have multiplied. So this a we multiplied with 2 also and with minus a also, and this minus 1 we multiplied with 2 also and with minus a also. Now like terms we can simplify further. So minus 6 is equals to, see here we can see 2a and a. A means 1a. So 2a and a, they are like terms. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3a minus a square minus 2. Further let's simplify this thing. So this is minus 6 equals to 3a minus a square minus 2. What we can do, let's shift every term from this side to this side. So minus a square, if I am shifting, it will become plus a square. This is positive 3a. When plus 3a we are shifting to other side, it will become minus 3a. Minus 2, when we are shifting to other side, it will become plus 2. And also you can see this side already we have minus 6, that I am writing it as it is. So I have written it in this way. So every term from this side I shifted to other side. So minus a changed to plus a square, plus 3a changed to minus 3a, minus 2 when we are shifting to other side it changed to plus 2, and minus 6 which is already there I am writing it as it is. Minus a square minus 3a. Now 2 and minus 6 again, these are like terms. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. As you can see here, we are getting a quadratic equation with a variable a here. So this equation you can solve it either by factorization or by using quadratic formula. So any way is applicable, whichever you want you can use it here. So I am going to use it by I am going to do it by factorization. So factorization, you people already know, I have already explained you also. And if you don't know how to solve quadratic equation with factorization, you can go through my video in the description, whose link is provided in the description. So I will be doing it now. So a square minus, see minus 4 is a factor, so that means fourth factor we can make. Fourth factors are 2 into 2 4, or we can also do 4 into 1 is 4. So we need two numbers whose product should be equals to minus 4 and whose addition or subtraction should be equals to minus 3. So here you can see 2 and 2, they are not going to help us. 4 and 1 they can help, because we need minus 3. If we need minus 3, that means if I am choosing minus 4 and 1, if we multiply minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. If you add them, the answer is minus 3. So both the conditions are satisfying here. So these are the factors we can choose: minus 4 plus 1. So a square, this is my first pair, this is my second pair. So from here we can take common. So a is common here. So a square means a is left, minus again a is common, so 4 is left behind, that we are writing. Here nothing is common, that means 1 we have to write. So whatever is left, that we will write in the bracket. So a minus 4. So if these two brackets are same, that means that sum till here it is correct. So a plus 1 into a minus 4 is equals to 0. So from here we can see a plus 1 is equals to 0 and a minus 4 is also equals to 0. So a's value from here is minus 1, and from here a's value we are getting plus 4. So because it was a quadratic equation, you can see two values of a we have got, minus 1 and 4. So we have completed first part of this question, which says find the value of a. Now the second part is find the equation of line. So equation of line also we have to find. As you can see, we have actually only one line, 3 points are there. Okay, so any 2 points we can use. So for that, first of all, we need to find the slope. See, a and coordinates will write. So a's coordinate a comma 3. So that means the coordinates can be minus 1 comma 3 or 4 comma 3, because you can see two values of a we have found. B's coordinates already given to us 2 comma 1. So now what we have to do, we have to find slope first of all, and then we can use equation of lines, any form whichever we can use here, then we can write the equation of line. But what we have to do, as you can see here, two values of a we are getting here. That means here two equations we will get corresponding to each value of a. So first of all, let's use these coordinates minus 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 1. So two equations we will get. So first of all, a's value is minus 1 comma 3 and b's value is 2 comma 1. And for this one again, a's value we have second value 4 comma 3 and b's value same 2 comma 1. See, here I am using b, you can also use c also, but because b is already given to us, so I am using b. Slope equation of ac or equation of ab or equation of bc, here all three are same because the line is one single line only. So now first of all, let's find slope. So slope I am finding by using these two coordinates. Let us assume this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Slope formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2's value 1. So it's always better to write this way so that mistakes can be avoided. y2 is 1 minus y3 minus y1, which is 3, x2 2 minus minus 1, because x1's value is minus 1. So 1 minus 3 and 2 minus of minus 1. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 2 minus minus 1, it means 2 plus 1. So slope I am getting here minus 2 upon 3. So this is the value of slope we have got. Now I have told you three values, three equations, three forms of equations of line are there. The first one is y is equals to mx plus c. Second form of equation of line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. And third is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. So these are the forms of three forms of equations of line. This I have already discussed in the introductory video. So now you have to choose which form we can use. See, we don't have intercepts because first form also has intercepts, second form also has intercepts. So we have coordinates. See, we have coordinates of both the points. So that means this form we can use. So it's very easy. I'll just rewrite the form. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Y1 and x1, any coordinates you can choose from a and b, the answer will be same. I have already shown you in one question this thing. So any coordinates you can use. So y1 I am just using now the a's coordinate. So y minus 3, m's value just now we have found minus 2 by 3, we can substitute x as it is minus x1, because I am using the coordinates of a, so x1's value is minus 1. So x minus x1, x minus minus 1. So this let's shift 3, let's shift to other side. So it will get multiplied. 3 into y minus 3 is equals to minus 2 into x minus minus plus 1. This we can multiply. 3 into y, 3y, minus 3 into 3, 9. Here this side also we can do multiplication. Minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So this I have multiplied. Now everything let's shift to one side. So minus 2, when I am shifting minus 2x to other side, it will become plus 2x. Then minus 2, let's write first y, which is already there. So y is already there on this side, plus 3y. Then minus 9, this when we are shifting to other side, it will become plus 2. So we can simplify it. You can see the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation, 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the first equation of line when the value of a was minus 1 comma 3. Now let's find another equation, because small a's two values we got. So that's why now with this also we have to find the equation of line. For this also, first of all, we'll find slope by using slope formula. M is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we can write here x1 y1 x2 y2. Y2 is 1 minus 3 upon x2 is 2 minus 4. So 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 4 again minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So slope's value we have got equals to 1. Now again this form only we have to use. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, same let's use coordinates of a. Y minus 3 is equals to, because a's coordinates are 4 comma 3, so this is x1, this is y1. So y minus 3 is equals to m. M means slope. Slope's value just now we have found 1 into x minus x1. x1 is 4. So y minus 3 is equals to x minus 4 with 1. If you multiply, it will be same only. 1 into x is x. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Now let's shift everything to this side. So y minus 3 is as already there on that side. Let it be like this. X, when I shift to other side, it will become minus x. Minus 4, when we shift to other side, it will become plus 4 equals to 0. Now let's rearrange them. Let's write x first, then y. So minus x plus y, minus 3 plus 4. So minus plus minus, so this will become plus 1 equals to 0. Or you can also write it as x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Just multiply the entire equation by minus sign so that x can be positive. So here we completed this question.